あ、そうです。
Delegated asynchronous proof of stake. It's simple, pretty close, not quite. So it's almost equals DPoS plus gossip. You've heard of Steemit?
I've heard of it.
Yeah.
Steemit, BitShares, and EOS all use DPoS. Makes it very, very fast.
Okay.
Probably the fastest blockchain in this algorithm. You've heard of Hashgraph?
Oh, yeah.
IOTA?
Yeah.
Those are both gossip protocols. Also make it really, really fast. We take a hybrid approach.
Okay.
So, in terms of the delegated part, the D, blockchains are slow because you need to get information to everyone very quickly. The delegated proof of stake means that instead of not knowing who in the network is going to find the next block, going from everywhere, it means that we've elected these guys to work together, so no matter what, it's always coming out of them. And it makes it really, really fast because when you know who they are, they can coordinate, work together to create transactions instead of competing. You don't know where it's going to come from, listening from everywhere. What we've done is instead of making a blockchain full of transactions, where you can get 10 transactions, 10 transactions, 10 transactions, like Bitcoin, you get about 7 transactions per second. What a gossip protocol does is it takes these 3 and over time they communicate events to one another. So you end up with what looks like a directed acyclic graph, a DAG. So you no longer need to wait for block. You can do tons and tons of transactions per second. There's no time in between. Does that make sense?
Sure.
So that's more or less.
And where does the sharding solution fit into this versus this?
So sharding is the scaling solutions proposed by Ethereum, where you can't fit transactions in this time, where in both of these pictures, this is time. Same this way. In scaling, or in sharding, they just try and make more chains. So they put a bunch more chains in, and then they try and feed this chain into here, and feed this chain into here. So the really cool thing about the Ethereum sharding solutions is that they're based on the Ethereum virtual machine. And because we run the Ethereum virtual machine, we actually get to use the same sharding solutions, like side chains and sharding as well. So you could still have the blocks over here, and then feed this into the gossip protocol and let it transition around.
On side chain.
Yeah, we could have the same exact side chain solutions, copy paste the code. So we have sort of 2 approaches to scaling, with the gossip and with being able to use Ethereum's scaling protocols too. So we really believe that this will give us a lot of room to grow.